Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about BTEC Level 3, Unit 3, the different types of borrowing, which is part of personal finance. Now, how businesses have different types of products to meet different types of needs. For example, a car manufacturer, they're going to have cars for different incomes, people with different lifestyles, family cars, single cars. The same way, banks and building societies, financial institutions, they also have a wide range of different products that will meet the needs of different individuals. Now, I'm going to go through that in detail. I'm going to go through the different types of borrowing that could be available to an individual. So what are the different types of borrowing that are available? There's an overdraft, a personal loan, hire purchase, a mortgage, a credit card, and a payday loan. Now, what is an overdraft? An overdraft allows you to take out money that you don't have from a current account. So it helps you meet your short-term needs. For example, if you just need cash before your payday. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of an overdraft? The advantages of an overdraft is that interest is charged only on outstanding payments, short-term solution to cash flow problems. However, the disadvantages of an overdraft is that interest that is charged is pretty high and it's not the cheapest form of borrowing. What is a personal loan? A personal loan gives the ability to borrow a set amount of money for a specific purpose, which will be paid in regular installments with interest. So a personal loan is mainly suitable for high-end purchases, so big purchases, such as if you're buying a car or if you want to make improvements to your house. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a personal loan? The advantages of a personal loan is that you have regular pre-agreed payments, so that way if you need to budget, you can budget because you know how much is going to come out and when. And it's useful for purchase that has medium or high value. However, the disadvantages of a personal loan is that the loan is secured against an asset. So if you don't pay back that loan, that asset will be taken away from you. For example, a car, if you don't pay back the loan that you owe on the car, that car can be taken back from you. And it's not suitable for a short-term loan. What is a hire purchase? So a hire purchase allows you to have an item immediately, but with regular payments. The item will not be owned by the buyer until they pay the whole item off. So for example, a TV. So if you were to buy a TV, you're not going to be owner of the TV until you pay off all the payment that you owe. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a hire purchase? The advantages of a hire purchase is that it spreads the cost over a period of time and it allows the customer to afford something that is out of their budget. So maybe they won't be able to afford it, but if they get a hire purchase, they can. The disadvantages of a hire purchase is that interest is charged, and the interest that is charged on a hire purchase is usually a lot more higher than any traditional loan. What's a mortgage? A mortgage is a long-term loan to fund the purchase of an asset, mainly a house. So it's paid back over a very long period of time, for example, at least a good 25 years. And it is suitable for assets that will maintain their value for a long time. This loan, the mortgage, cannot be paid for in one go. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a mortgage? So the advantages of a mortgage is that the consumer can spread the cost of the item over a very long period of time. However, the disadvantages of a mortgage is that if the payment is not made, then again, the asset can be taken away from the person. What are credit cards? Credit cards are when goods or services are paid for using the card, then paid at the end of a set period or paid over time with payments that are made every month. So it's suitable for like goods that are high priced and services. For example, if you're doing shopping for a festival such as Christmas. And it's also used for safety as an alternative method to using cash. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a credit card? The advantages of a credit card is that it can be used for items of multiple sizes and value. It provides protection on purchases that you make. However, the disadvantages of a credit card is that it can encourage overspending and the interest rates are high. What is a payday loan? So a payday loan is a short-term source of finance that is used for the gap between you receiving your wages. And it's only available for short amounts at high rates, and it's only suitable for emergencies to meet short-term cash needs. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a payday loan? The advantages of a payday loan is that it solves immediate short-term cash flow problems. So if you are running out of money just before you're about to get your wage in, then you can get a payday loan and it will solve that short-term cash flow need that you have. And it is very easy to secure. However, the disadvantages of a payday loan is that they have very high interest rates, and the amount that you have to repay back can be very, very high, and it can get out of control very, very quickly. Now, here are some practice questions that you can pause the video, have a go at, test your knowledge. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like, follow and subscribe for more YouTube videos. If you want updates on when a new YouTube video is posted, then follow my Instagram. And if you would like resources to this video, then check out my test account, which is on the homepage of my YouTube channel.